I could be with anybody, I choose you. Still, it's no excuse to abuse you, but no one knows.
Roberto Carlos belts one. And it's Griezmann. Minutes till half-time. Deftly done. Griezmann. Chance! Goal! Inter! And Inter go in front.
Inter are so well practiced in the art of keeping the ball through, wonderful passing and movement, and a real appetite to ensure it's reflected in their goal count.
What a rocket! That is special! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order. And he's delivered his first in new colours. As long-range strikes go, that is a belter, just brilliant.
That's a great hit, but you've got to question why the defence didn't do a better job in trying to close it down.